Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on just how to get set up in Cricut to start cutting stuff like vinyl, stickers, or iron-on stuff, all that stuff. So just follow along. I got the screens up here. First thing we're going to do, well, number one, if you're going to take an image like this and we want to convert it, you'll just jump into something like Vectornator. And you'll go and you can just open that image, I think. And we'll go into open and we'll find the image we just downloaded. Hopefully this works, even though it's not a JPEG or PNG. Looks like it's importing correctly. And then this is a nice one because it's literally just black and white. So we're going to make sure we're on sketch and we're going to auto trace that. Now we have a vector image and we can export this as an SVG. So we're just going to go ahead. We typically turn off the responsiveness of it, and now we're going to just export that as an SVG. WN is the name of it. And we have that somewhere. Now we're going to do a new project here in Cricut. So you'll want to download the Cricut Design Space in order to do this, and then we're going to jump into new project, and we're going to add something new to it. So this is pretty simple. We're going to go. Sometimes this program can be a little slow, especially if I'm doing stuff here. But okay, let's go to upload. Okay, here we go. Upload an image, browse. We can see that SVG is one of the acceptable things, and my original image would not have been able to be uploaded. So it's important we do that step. We got that there, and that's about it. Now we have it. Now we're going to go add to canvas, and this is our cutting canvas. So I believe it's around 12 inches for the work area. So if our image extends past that, which it currently is, we need to scale it down. So I'm not holding any hotkeys on here. We're just scaling it so that it'll fit on our cutting surface. So anywhere like, I believe it's around 12 inches. I'm going a little lower. To just about 11 inches. This should cut just fine. You want to make sure that everything is within the stuff you're cutting on. So just make sure you got your measurements here. It's 10.4 by 10.9, and at this point you're basically ready to go. So now we would click on Make. We'll save the project so we have it saved as weekend. Good. And we save it now. We have it saved. Now we're good to go. And at this point, it'll ask you to, send the material through. So we're going to just use our mat size. You can see it is actually 12 by 12. And then we're going to confirm that. And now it's showing you what the mat looks like. It's showing you this, that, the other. And you would be more or less ready to go for certain things like the iron-on material. That you don't use the mat for, you just send the material right through. Alright. Now, if you had text and it was going to be the reverse of what it was you were trying to cut, so like let's say this is the back of it, you'd actually want to mirror the image so that it looks right. Okay. And then you would click continue. Now it's saying allow whatever, and it's saying no device found. That's because I don't have it connected. But if it was connected, it would say, okay, let's go. And then at this point, the rest of this is done on the machine itself. And you just press the button, you feed the thing through, you press the button again to play it, it starts cutting, and then you press the button again to have it finish, and you're done. Hopefully this was helpful. That's how you use the Cricut to start cutting vinyl. Good luck.